Time taken by the sun to revolve around the center of our galaxy, 25 crore year. How many constellations are in our space? 88. The group of stars that indicates the direction of Polaris is Saptarishi. In the universe, what are the pulsars? Pulsars are rotating neutron stars. Which of the following does not belong to solar system? Nebula. One astronomical unit is average distance between Earth and Sun. 1.496 into 10 to power 11 meter. One astronomical unit. Chief celestial body of the solar system. Sun. When does the solar eclipse occur? When the moon comes between the Earth and Sun. Energy is produced on the Sun by nuclear fusion. Nicholas Copernicus is famous for stating that planets revolve around the Sun and not around the Earth. Venus, hottest planet in the solar system. Venus. Which planet is known as evening star? Venus. Morning star. Red planet Mars. Jupiter, largest planet in the world in the solar system. Saturn, the lowest density among all planets. Which is the brightest planet in the solar system? Venus. First, to explain that rotation of the Earth on its own axis account for daily rising and setting the sun. Aryabhat. Scientist who first discovered that the Earth revolves around the sun. Copernicus. Time taken by the light emitted from the sun to reach the Earth is 8 minutes. Sunlight reaches the Earth 8 minutes. Time taken by the sunlight to reach Earth's surface is approximately 8.5 meters. Completing one revolution around the sun, Earth takes place in 365.25 days. Approximately how much distance per minute does the Earth rotate? 4090.28 किलोमीटर in 24 hours, 27.8 किलोमीटर per minute. Distance between Earth and Sun is greater during एपीहिलियन. 4 जुलाई को होता है एपीहिलियन. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन. How much is the equatorial diameter greater than the polar dia? 43 kilometers. Jupiter, which of the largest planet in the solar system? Jupiter. Time Saturn takes to complete one revolution around the sun is 29.5 years. Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. One revolution around the sun, Uranus takes 84 years. The year is largest on Pluto. Latitude, country which has longest north-south latitudinal extension of its territory is Brazil. How many latitudes are there on the globe? 1 degree interval. 179. Total number of longitude line in a standard globe is 360. Latitude is the angular distance between point from Earth center. Longitude. What is the local time of Thimphu, located at 90 degrees longitude, when the time Greenwich 0 degree is 12 noon? Difference between Greenwich and Thimphu, Bhutan, 19 degree longitude. 19 into 4, 360. Separate Canada and Alaska, 141 degree west. International date line passes through Pacific Ocean. Basic deciding the standard of any place is prime meridian. Time at Cairo is 2 hours ahead of Greenwich, hence it is located in 30 degree east longitude. Longest day in southern hemisphere, 22 December. Shortest day in northern hemisphere, 22 December. Geological history. Pieces of the earth's crust are its constant. Theory of plate tectonics. Theory of continental drift is developed by A. Wagner. Southern continent broken from Pangaea is called Southern Gondwana. Continent was drifted apart because of tectonic activity. Which element are abundant information of interior of Earth? Nickel and ferrous. Who among the following postulate the concept of geographical cycle of erosion? B. W. M. Davis. Coca plate is the between Central America and Pacific plate. Folding is the result of orogenic force. Regarding a sedimentary rock, which of the following statement is true? These rocks are deposited in layer. Which one of the following rock is not metamorphic rock? Dolomite. Which statement of the following true for igneous rock? Both crystalline and non-crystalline. Which type of rock is formed from cooling and solidification of lava? Igneous. Minerals are deposited and accumulated in the strata of sedimentary rock. Volcanic island in the Indian territory are Narcondam and Barren. Mount Etna is a volcano. Mauna Loa is the example of active volcano. Kilimanjaro is a volcano. World largest volcano which erupted for the first time in 38 years. Mauna Loa. Used to measure the intensity of earthquake. Mercalli scale. Richter measure magnitude. Among the which one has the highest number of country? अफ्रीका के पास हाईएस्ट है. यूरोप 49, एशिया 48, नॉर्थ अमेरिका 23. Continent has least land area. Australia. Largest continent Africa. As per area, Africa, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. Which of the following is not related to continent of Australia? Lake Erie, South Australia, Nullarbor Plain, Southern Australia, Salevan Mountain, Snowy New South Wales, Australia, Salvin Valley, China, Myanmar. Arctic region of the Arctic and Antarctic continent are situated near North and South Pole. Oldest mountain of the South America continent, Pacadima. Highest peak of the world are mostly found in which type of mountain? Young-fold mountain. Not a young-fold mountain. More than the Aravalli, the पुराना ही है ना. Aravalli, Appalachian and Aral. Old fold mountain. Largest mountain series of the world. Andes extended along which of the following? West coast of South America. Mountain range of Europe is Alps. Pyrenees, Europe, Appalachian America, Aravalli, India is an example of old mountain range. Two countries does Pyrenees mountain range separate in South Europe, Spain and France. Which of the following is the longest mountain range? Rocky. Roof of the world, Pamir. Possibility of desert on Earth is more nearby 23-degree latitude. Gobi Desert located in Mongolia. Great Victoria Desert is Australia. Taklamakan, China. Mushroom rock, example of abrasion. The driest desert of the world, Atacama. Odd pair. Kalahari अमेरिका नहीं, kalahari अफ्रीकन कंटिनेंट. गोबी मंगोलिया, थार इंडिया, सहारा अफ्रीका. Grassland, mid latitude grassland in South America, Pampa. Tropical grassland, savanna. Grassland of Brazilian plateau, Campos. Magnetite line exists between country France and Germany. Largest coastline, Canada. Israel has common border, Lebanon, Syria, Jordan, Egypt. Does not have land border with the Dead Sea, Lebanon. Largest country without border in terms of geographical area, Japan. Emirates state, UAE. Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Kubain, Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah. Landlocked country, Hungary. Hungary is landlocked by Ukraine, Romania, Serbia, Croatia, Slovenia, Austria, Slovakia. Belgium has coastline along the North Sea. Romania has coastline along Black Sea. Ukraine has coastline along Black Sea and Sea of Azov. Capital city of the world. Not capital city of country. Sydney. Sydney is not capital of any country. Canberra is capital of Australia. Wellington, New Zealand. Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Name the city of Russia that is known as Venice of the North. St. Petersburg. Mistress of the Eastern Sea, India.